Hey Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Man, let's fry some salmon. After I cut my salmon, I season them and I love using a coconut flour. I fried them in some coconut oil, which is absolutely amazing. I had got some gluten-free brown rice. I'm learning that gluten is not really good for people with acne. Well, let me speak on my own behalf, but this rice was super easy to make. It cooked in like 2 minutes. I love the bag that it came in. And now we're going to get ready to prep the meal. Come through wooden spoon. I love the wooden spoon so far. I don't season a lot of my food or season with a lot of season. So now when I do, I kind of like to put my season after I'm done cooking. So going in with the first thing, I have my mini cucumbers here. One thing I like to do now is just take my time when I'm cooking with stuff and just be more in the present moment. Y'all know how we are, especially ladies. Some of us will be making a 5-star meal for other people, especially a man, honey. Then when it come to us, we want to make our plate all ghetto just so we can sit down and eat. I'm not with that anymore. Now I'm like, okay, let me make my plate a 5-star just as well as I would someone else's. So that's why I'm doing this. And on and off camera, I do that now. Like, I'm taking my time. I'm making sure everything is in place because I want this food to love me. I want this food to feel, loved when it enters into my organs so my body can work good. And that's just how I believe. So we got the whole slab of avocado, tomato, green pepper, and that fried salmon was absolutely amazing. This salmon was so good. Don't forget the limes. Limes is really good for a lot of things. So I cut the lime here so I can eat the lime. Eat the lime when you get it on food. Eat the lemon when you get it on food. Those are really good citrus fruits that are good for a lot of things. We'll get into those foods on a later day, but limes and lemons are good to eat. Sometimes I eat the skin, honey. This was a little sauce that I had got from Walmart. It just had like spinach, habanero pepper in there, and it was really, really good. It has some really good ingredients. It kind of was like spicy. So I like this. I'll begin to get that. So some things I have been doing is trying to make like little grocery lists behind the scenes of meals that I like, because I'm the type of person I can eat the same thing. This is one of those things. To get my cold ice water, I did clean the limes so they can be in my water. Again, I'm the type of person, when this drink is done, child, I probably bite a little piece of the lime, which is not harmful to me at all. I've done that a few times in my life. But I put the cup in the freezer while the food is still cooking. That way it's super cold. After washing my limes off, I just put it in there and some fresh lime water. Lime water is so delicious. So here is the overall product. You have your salmon, avocado, cucumber, tomato, bell pepper, lime, your brown rice. And one thing I love about this meal is that it allows me to eat more of my vegetables raw. This salmon was so good. So that's the one thing that I love about this. So if you're looking forward to just making diet changes, you can do little things like this, like a salmon bowl. That way you can have your vegetables to be raw. Every vegetable does not need to be cooked down. I did have some leftovers, which was amazing. So I decided to eat those later. So thank you again for another video. Alexis loves you.